For today's video nga guys, medyo walang kakaiba sa napuntahan nating kainan pero may kakaibang kwento ang may-ari neto. Ito nga si Ma'am Carrie Lane Abad at si Sir Marco. At ito na nga ang kwento. Bali si Ma'am Carrie Lane Abad, a good Samaritan girl with a good heart. Siya yung tumutulong sa mga foreigner na homeless dito sa ating bansa na wala nang kakayahan magkaroon ng sariling bahay at hanap buhay. At si Sir Marco, isang German national, at siya yung kauna-unahang foreigner na natulungan ni Ma'am Carrie Lane Abad kahit papano magkaroon ng sariling hanap buhay. Sir, good afternoon. What's your name, sir?
I'm Tatay Empanada. Everybody knows me from Pasig, from Sankuatin, from other places also. I'm selling empanada since August 2022. And now I'm here in Pateros and I'm proud to present my store here with a lot of flavors of yummy empanada. And we also offer zizi. I came here about 10 years ago to marry a Filipina, but then she left me after a couple of years, and so I'm alone now. Different reasons, but it's not necessary for the moment. I wait until I get my senior citizenship, and it's not now. It's maybe in 10 years or 12 years. We have here some new flavors here. Besides this are the classics, you can say, and spicy tuna. We have Uber cheese now. Peach mango, pork asado, pork sisig, and many others like cheesy beef, and also our cookies, they are new. They're looking tiny, but they are very, very yummy and very, very soft. Empanada official. You can find me there. Operations hours, basically between 11 and 12 until 9. It's a little bit difficult to find this place. We are located here in Santa Ana Mazagana, Pateros, and you ask just for LE18 or for the quick relief pharmacy in Mazagana.
So guys, ito si Ma'am Carrie at Sir Marco. Ma'am, ay po. Ma'am, ang tanong ko lang, bakit po tinutulungan yung mga foreigner na sa bansa natin?
Kasi para sa akin, wala kasi sila sa sariling bansa nila. Kumbaga, parang nahihirapan silang mabuhay dito sa bansa natin kasi hindi nila alam kung ano yung flow ng buhay dito kasi hindi sila basta makakagawa ng panibagong income. Kaya talagang yung mga tinutulungan ko is talagang mga AFAM na kagaya ni Tatay Empanada.
Oo.
Oo.
Sir, what can you say about Carrie, sir?
In the first place, at the time when she found me there selling in San Joaquin beside on the Cebuana branch, I were looking like a little bit pity because of my situation there. I was really unsatisfied with my old business partner, so later we changed that and Carrie became my business partner, and I have to thank you very much for that. She also introduced me to other people like Rafi Tulf in Action, Shinkitan, Itulaga, and so on and so on. And I think the story will continue as long we are staying together like partners, like business partners. And we continue our legacy selling empanada and cookies and sisig or other stuff what we do.
Oh, yeah.
It's life.
So Ma'am Carrie, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ba yung pagtutulong mo sa mga ibang lahi sa bansa natin? Katulad ni Sir Marco, alam mo madami ka na natulungan no?
Opo, actually patuloy pa rin po yan hanggat may nahihirapang mga foreigner dito sa ating bansa ay patuloy pa din. Actually may mga recent din ako mga natulungan na at sa mga tutulungan pang in the future na mga AFAM na kagaya ni Tatay Empanada.
Yeah, I think I'm the only foreigner who doesn't need much medical attention or something like that.
Yeah, because you're not crazy.
I'm not crazy, no, of course not.
Okay. Okay, go.
And I'm not a veterinary. I'm not in the age of senior citizenship. and
Wow, lolo.
Tough. My wife had left me also.
Oh.
I has not ended up on the streets like many others, unfortunately.
Ano yung nagtulak sa inyo, ba't ginawa niyo to, ma'am? Yung unang-una, ano pong feeling nun? Yung tinulungan niyo sa Alam ko sa inyo, kaunang na tinulungan niyo, di ba? Tama po.
Yes po, si Tatay Empanada po talagang kauna-unahang natulungan ko po sa mga foreigner na natagpuan ko. Bali para sa akin, sobrang grateful ako kasi at the age of 22 ay may mga natutulungan na ako in the way of that na na-appreciate pala ng mga tao kung ano yung mga ginagawa ko and talagang bukal sa loob ko at talaga ayun po yung talagang magandang intention ko sa mga dayuhang kagaya ni Tatay Empanada. So guys, if you want more like to watch video or vlogs about some foreigner like homeless here in Philippines, you can like my Facebook page, Carrie Lane Abad, and also I have a YouTube channel, Carrie Tasty Travel, and also on my TikTok, it's Carrie. You can follow me them, and yeah, and our official Facebook page, Tatay Empanada.
Official on Facebook, yes ma'am.
Yes, you can follow them. Thank you so much.
So yan mga team, dito tayo sa may Masagana Pateros at tapat lang to mismo na Quick Relief Pharmacy. Dinahin natin yung Tatay Empanada guys. So nag-viral siya last year, tama ba? Itinda pa rin siya empanada. At maganda dun guys, meron ng sisig for only 59 pesos. May drinks ng kasama. So guys, nag-open nga pala sila dito 11 a.m. hanggang 9 p.m. Sabay, pwede kayong order online, may FB page sila. So ito lang yan guys, yan. Titikman na natin guys. So guys, ito mga empanada is 25 pesos lang isa. Ayan guys, subukan na natin. Subukan na natin guys, hindi ko na alam yung flavor. Ayan guys. Bali guys, ito yata yung pork asado. Grabe guys, meaty. Sabay sulit na sulit, sa 25 pesos guys yan. Okay guys, ito, subukan natin kung anong flavor to guys. Ayan guys, ube. Guys, ito ube cheese. 30 pesos lang naman ba guys yan. Subukan natin. May cheese pa talaga. Okay, guys, ito, titikman na natin, no. Guys, ito, ham and cheese, subukan na natin. 25 pesos lang. So guys, ito ang tingin ko pinakasulit, ha. 59 pesos, may sisig rice meal ka na, sabay may drinks pa. Bali, gamit niya ng sisig, guys. Merong atay, sabay maskara ng baboy yung gamit guys. Sulit na rin. 59 pesos mabubusog ka na. Pag bumili kayo sisig rice meal, may one serving at time ka na palamig. 2 flavors lagi yung nilalagay nila. Pinili ko ngayon is lemonade. So, sabahan. Grabe guys, literal na sulit yung 59 pesos nyo dito. Kaya guys, kung mapapadpad kayo dito sa Masagana Pateros or malapit lang kayo dito, dahil na kayo dito kay Tatay Empanada guys, magiging sulit yung food trip nyo. Pinaka malapit na landmark is yung Quick Relief Pharmacy. So yun lang. Salamat.